Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Hilton Honors American Express card versus the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass card. We will explore their key differences, including annual fees, earning rates, and exclusive benefits. Understanding these distinctions will help you choose the best card for your travel needs and maximize your Hilton Honors rewards. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to earning points, the no-fee Hilton Honors card provides 7x points on eligible Hilton purchases, 5x at U.S. restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations, and 3x on all other purchases. The Surpass card significantly boosts this with 12x points on Hilton purchases, 6x at U.S. restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations, and 3x on other purchases. Surpass also grants automatic Hilton Honors Gold status, offering valuable perks like complimentary breakfast. The primary difference in cost is the annual fee. The Hilton Honors card has a $0 annual fee, while the Surpass card has a $150 annual fee. For many, the Surpass card's enhanced earning rates and gold status benefits, such as daily food and beverage credit, can quickly outweigh its annual cost, especially if you stay at Hilton properties frequently. Consider your travel habits to determine which offers better value. Beyond points and status, the Surpass card offers a valuable free night reward after spending $15,000 in a calendar year, providing significant savings. Both cards also include essential travel and shopping protections, like purchase protection and extended warranty. These benefits add peace of mind to your purchases. Be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.